Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. So today I'm going to be doing another IKEA video. So I bought a new desk from IKEA. I think it's supposed to be for makeup, like it's called a dressing table, and it's a little bit more narrow than a regular desk. But I'll insert it here. It's the mom desk. So I'm going to build that and rearrange the furniture a little bit. So I'm going to show you my old desk. This is my old desk. I've had it for a pretty long time. It just has two shelves over here and there's not much storage. So I've been using this little basket for some storage, and this is just too cluttery on top of the desk. So I'm going to try to make it a little bit more minimal. This desk here has like a long drawer along the side, so I can put all of this in the drawers, and I will just have to find a new place for the printer. So right now the desk is behind the couch and we have the couch pushed up all the way to the wall. The couch used to be way back here, and that's why we had that shelf here. It was more centered in the couch, so it does kind of look a little funny right now. I may try to move the couch back here, move the TV stand over a little bit so it's centered, and then move this shelf over here, and either put the bench over here next to the window or put my new desk in front of the window. But I think it may be too much with the desk and this so close together, so we'll see how that goes. We'll play around with a few things, and I'm gonna hopefully get this together by myself. There is a video on YouTube describing how to do it, but I just think that this desk will look a little bit nicer and more streamlined than this. So let's get started. So I'm all finished. It has a glass top and a drawer, and it's pretty long across. I'm pretty proud of myself that I built it all by myself. Okay, so now that the desk is built, I'm going to clear off this desk and move this desk down to the basement. So it does fit here, but I think I'm going to try it over under the window and then move the couch back and move this shelf over here. So I pushed the couch up to where the desk was, and now you can see that the shelf makes a little bit more sense over the couch. Now that there's more room over here, I'm gonna move this shelf over to the other side. Alright, so I'm gonna have to find a spot for this bench. If not, I'll put it down in the basement. But I have to find room for all of this in here, and maybe even in here if I don't have any room. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the desk up. Okay, so I'm about to organize the drawer. So I'm gonna try to go through all these papers and probably put all of my notebooks in the drawer, and then try to get rid of this altogether so there's nothing sitting on top of the desk. I went downstairs and found all of my extra containers. So I have all of these. These ones are from the Dollarama. These ones are also from the Dollarama. So they fit in there pretty nicely, but I have a few different options, and I'll show you as I go. Okay guys, so I'm all finished. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see. So you can tell there's less room here between the kitchen table and the couch because the couch came up this way a lot. The old desk used to be right here and the couch was pushed up all the way. So what I did was I pulled the couch ahead. This shelf I moved over here. It used to be here. And it gave me a little bit more room. I got rid of the bench completely and just put the plant right here next to my desk. Like I said before, this desk was more of a dressing table, so it's a little bit more narrow. For reference, like I don't have much room here between my computer and the end of the desk, but I really like how it has a glass top so it can be wiped easily because the top of my other desk was really marked up. And then I really like the big drawer because I can fit everything in the drawer that I would normally keep on top, so it looks a lot neater. All right, so this is the inside of the drawer. Starting over here, I have my markers and my highliners that I use in my planner. I have my favorite pen, which is a Sharpie S Gel 0.7. You can just get them at Walmart. And then I have highlighters and Sharpies back here. My most used cords, so like my phone charger, my Apple Watch charger, and my headphones that I use for editing. In this dish here, I have sticky notes, whiteout, chapstick, and just cleaning cloths there. Some notebooks here. So I have my planner, my YouTube book, and then I have the little book I bought for wedding planning. And then on the end here, I just have a little basket full of stickers. I used to be really obsessed with putting stickers in my planner. I don't do it anymore very much because stickers got really expensive, so I have some here if I want to use them. And then I have cue cards in the front for my recipe card. So that's everything. So the only thing I'm keeping on my desk right now is my keyboard and mouse, obviously, my external hard drive, and the light. I might get a coaster or something, but other than that, I'm going to keep it pretty minimal. For the fall, I might decorate it a little bit, but that's everything. And in the old desk, I had a spot for my printer, so I just moved the printer over here at the bottom of this shelf. So if you enjoyed that video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. And if you have any baking suggestions, leave them down in the comments as well. And next week I'll do a baking video.